News. This is the 1-minute summary of this breaking news. For detailed report, keep watching this report.
Is the lure of a foreign job a new trap for our youth? Welcome to the headlines. Today, we bring you a shocking report from Thane. A Mumbai resident, promised a high-paying job in Bangkok, was instead forced into cyber slavery. The victim was lured by an agent, his documents seized, and was then forced to participate in online financial scams. Thanks to his bravery and the swift action of the Indian embassy, he managed to escape. The Thane Cyber Police acted promptly on his complaint and have arrested the key agent, Salman Sheikh. The police recovered a diary with names of over 30 individuals who have been similarly trafficked. This case is a stark warning about the new and evolving face of crime. However, the nightmare began upon his arrival in Bangkok. His passport and mobile phone were immediately confiscated. He was then taken to a secluded location where he was told his actual job was to engage in online scams, specifically pig butchering, a term for a long-con fraud where the scammer builds a relationship with the victim before stealing their money. The victim was given a new mobile phone and a script to follow. He was forced to work under duress, with armed guards present, and was not allowed to leave. The psychological toll of being held captive and forced to cheat his own countrymen was immense.
This is the 1-minute summary of this breaking news. For details report, keep watching this report.
Let's analyze this news report in detail. This case is a chilling example of a modern form of human trafficking and cybercrime, a phenomenon often referred to as cyber slavery. The story begins with a hopeful Mumbai resident looking for a better future, who was promised a data entry job in Bangkok by an agent named Salman Sheikh. The victim was made to pay a sum of money and was given an impressive offer letter. On the day of his travel, he was met by the accused, and everything seemed legitimate. Fortunately, the victim showed incredible courage. He managed to escape by using a moment of inattention from his captors and made his way to the Indian embassy, a crucial step that saved him from a prolonged ordeal. The embassy's rapid response in providing him with shelter and arranging his return to India was vital. Upon returning, he immediately filed a complaint with the South Cyber Police Station in Thane. The police, led by a dedicated team including DCP Shri Vijayakant Sagar and his team, launched a thorough investigation. They used the information provided by the victim to track down the main accused, Salman Sheikh. During the arrest, they found a diary which exposed the horrifying scale of the operation. It contained the names and details of over 30 other individuals who had been similarly trapped. This new evidence points to a much larger, organized international racket. The police are now working to identify and rescue the other victims. The case is a grim reminder of how criminal networks are leveraging digital platforms and fake promises to exploit young, tech-savvy individuals. It is a wake-up call for authorities to strengthen international cooperation to dismantle these syndicates and for the public to be extremely vigilant against such sophisticated scams.